What's going on? It's Chris, CEO and co-founder of LifterLMS, and today I want to talk to you about our LifterLMS Black Friday All November sale. Now, as you can see on the screen here, I've got the blog post about what's happening at LifterLMS 2021 Black Friday, the sale, and what I'm going to go over in this video is the $2,000 worth of bonuses that you get when you purchase any add-on or bundle from LifterLMS from today, November 1st, through the end of the month, which is November 30th. Now, of course, we've got a coupon code where you get a discount this year. It's 20% off any add-on or bundle, so use that code Black Friday 21, all one word, at checkout. But I want to talk to you about the bonuses today. So we're going to go over that right now. We're going to look at them. And by the way, you can go see this blog post for yourself by clicking the link below this video. So the first bonus number one is the Online Education Company Startup Checklist. This thing is super valuable. Sometimes big things come in small packages. Essentially, we see a lot of people kind of get in the weeds and have a failure to launch the online course or the membership site or the training portal. And what we've done is we've gone through a decade of experience and come up with the key things that you need to take care of so that your project can launch successfully. This has mind-blowing results for people. Once they get clear and actually complete the items on the list, the project gets launched and then things start moving forward. The second thing is a lot of course creators, coaches, and training-based membership site creators struggle with getting leads or traffic. We've got an awesome training. This is one of my favorite trainings I do called the YouTube Traffic System, which shows you how to get steady leads from just making 3 or 4 specific videos on your YouTube channel without becoming a professional YouTuber so that you can get steady leads from YouTube. The third bonus is an exclusive LifterLMS customer-only office hours mastermind, which will be happening in early December. So what this is, our highest level customers get access to a call called the LifterLMS Office Hours Mastermind. But if you make any purchase during the month of November, you're going to get access to a LifterLMS Office Hours Mastermind call. You're going to get access to one of those, and you're going to get to experience what that's like and why many of our Infinity Bundle customers come to that call on a weekly basis and, come back week after week, year after year, so that you can experience what it's like to have that level of support from myself and members on the LifterLMS team. So come to the LifterLMS customer only office hours mastermind event if you get access to it by making a purchase of any single add-on or bundle this November. The next thing is a special training I'm going to do around what I call a strategy call. So what this is a call where you come and you just come with your biggest challenge or problem, and I work through those one-on-one with that person kind of in the container of that call. So you get to leverage my strategic brain, my experience against your biggest challenge or opportunity. That's going to be first come, first serve. So to get the most out of that call, be sure to come with your challenge ready to roll, and we'll deliver that strategy call. The next thing is a certificate graphic set. So LifterLMS has gamification features. One of those gamification or engagement types is called a certificate. So if you've ever thought about creating certification for course completion or for completing a series of courses or, kind of finishing the members only training, we've got some additional graphics for you to make your certificates beautiful. And then the sixth bonus is we have some additional graphics for achievement badges, which is another type of engagement or gamification that you get with LifterLMS's powerful engagement engine. So if you want people to earn achievement badges when they complete a specific course or lesson or section or module or enroll in something or pass something or fail something even, we've got a graphics achievement badge set that you can use and customize and make your own and unique to your platform. So These are the LifterLMS bonuses that you get for being a customer. And of course, I haven't forgotten about our existing customers. We're going to hook you up with all these on Cyber Monday as well. So you're going to get access to these bonuses as well if you're watching this video and you're already a LifterLMS customer. I've also got some other surprises for just LifterLMS customers. So even if you're not a customer yet, but you become one in November, you're going to get some awesome surprises in November or in December. So go ahead and wait for that. If you're not a customer yet, go to LifterLMS.com, use coupon code BlackFriday21 at checkout, and just know that you're investing in confidence in the world's most powerful, customizable learning management system for WordPress with the incredible support and community around it. I look forward to seeing you inside the LifterLMS community. Thanks for checking out this video. Click the link down below to read the blog post I was just looking at about this year's LifterLMS Black Friday all November sale. Have a great rest of your day.